attached there, y'all couldn't go down.
Isn't that pretty?
We would like one thing done.
It had no slope. It was level.
I know.
Like
I
that
think
level
this
right
line.
Checking the roof. Trying to see where that water damage is coming from.
Yeah, 10 inches back. I think it's just about
Here's one of the biggest issues. If the entire roof is like this and it's a layover.
Hey everyone, this is Julie, and just wanted to let you know that we're at day 3 here in Farmersville. If you saw the video before this, you saw the demo. We took all the old cover patio that they had. They had a tin roof. We took that down and we're building a new pergola. Well, not pergola, but patio cover. And it's a windy day today, but you can see that the beams, how thick and pretty they are. It's gonna be look really, really nice. There's the beams. It goes all the way across. Down. Say hi, Nick.
Hey, how are you guys?
That's Nick. We got the columns here. I'm getting all that stained to go across the patio cover. Then they're staining this for the underside. And it will match her shutters and beams that we did probably about a month ago. Not her beams, but her posts. We did her little flower box and her shutters. You can see that. She's happy about her flowers. And the shutters. The beams done. And then that will all tie in to this house and make it look perfect. So excited. These are a great customer. They're going to take this part off of the porch here, and we're going to put cedar on that and trim all that out. And then her son is going to get rid of that green and do black. So I think that's going to look beautiful. Perfect cut? That's a perfect cut.
It's called Bird Peak.
Bird peak?
Bird Peak. Once you do bird feed, there's no need for a hurricane feed. It's all right now. See how it's tight?
Yeah.
It falls into the feed. Some inspectors do require those hurricane figures on them.
Hurricane hangers. And we don't get no hurricanes in Texas.
Yeah, they call it bird feed.
Bird Peak. That's pretty. Where are you putting the decorative edges? On that post right there? On that big one?
On the bottom,
Those?
those go here.
They go right
Those
there?
are called barbells.
Corbels? Yeah.
They're really nice. They're
Yeah.
Let me see.
So these are what he's going to put on that cedar post. Corbels. They're pretty. Did a great job on those. Very good job. But yeah, this is day 3. Day 1 was tearing everything out, and then day 2 was setting the posts and letting them dry. And this is day 3. So probably be finished with this project by day 5. Making sure everything's level.
So the problem before they had, it was level, so the water was backflowing.
Yeah, that's why they got that water damage.
Now you can see, like, this is level right here. Look at that level coming up.
Yeah,
See that? That's level.
and you got to have a slant for the water.
It's about a 3 degree pitch.
And this will also have a shingle roof to match the shingles on their house. Wrap the bottom of the post. Okay. I hope you like and enjoyed this video, and please subscribe. We will have probably day 5 of how it all looks. So please look for that video that's be out in the next couple days. But I just wanted to show you a little bit of what we do, and that's why I want you to continue to watch our videos and subscribe and like, because we don't just do one thing. We do a lot of different buildings, from shutters to pergolas to patio covers to decks to tile and grout cleaning, home remodeling, just anything like that. So anyway, hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.